Let's check this group for any respiratory signs.
Right away. This one looks active.
Good plumage, no lesions, it's clear.
In a halal facility, chickens are handled with care before the ritual.
Bismillah Allah.
The cut is swift, allowing for proper bleeding.
The process is complete.
Load the Karahi first, stack it tight. Secure the back row now. Karahi is ready for delivery. Keep it hawa. Delivery from fresh Karahi. Where to?
Right here, smells amazing.
Reheating the Karahi now. Sauce is thickening.
Perfect, plate is ready.
Plating now. Garnish is ready.
Yes, it looks excellent.
This is incredible. So tender.
I know, the flavors are perfect.
Best Karahi ever. This is incredible. So tender.
I know, the flavors are perfect.
Best Karahi ever.